Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you for subscribing if that is what you do. Okay, this is just part one. Yes, part one of my Christmas tours for the holiday season. It's just the first wave. There's some more to come inside. We haven't even done much outside yet, just the wreath and the doormat, but I want to show you that in part two. This is just going to be everything I've done so far inside the house. So let's start with the kitchen. And everything is from Target and Dollar Tree, Michael's and Hobby Lobby, so that you know. Beautiful joy with the snowman and the church, the school. I think it's a church, right? Or is that a school? Either way, with the tree, we have the gingerbread man. He is so cute. He's in the kitchen baking cookies for Santa. He is precious. Isn't he precious? Love him. He's so cute. And then over here, we have Home for the Holidays as I trip over this bench. Yes. Love it. And then over here, we have this little Santa. Isn't he so cute, you guys? Like, OMG. Just clean the camera. Okay. Yeah, he is so cute with a cute little reindeer. He is so cute. I think I might have gotten this at Hallmark store. I don't remember. But anyway, really, really cute. We have some angels. These we have all year round because we just love angels here. Oh my God, how pretty are these angels? They go with my nails perfectly. We love a matching nail angel set. And then these beautiful angels are so cute. I love angels. They're so angelic. Oh my gosh. Watch one fall over. That'd be so funny. No, this is so pretty. I love angels. Do you guys collect angels? I think I might start collecting angels because they're just so peaceful and nice. I love angels. What else? Okay, that's not Christmas Eve. Okay, let's go over here. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Okay, so we have some more Christmas decor here. Ooh, as the table moves. These twinkly lights with these snowflakes are so freaking precious. And then we have these cute little things here. Oh my God, look how cute this all is. Yes, a finished Christmas. We love it. The reindeer in the snow. So gorge. Love it. These, oh, I love these twinkly lights. Just so precious. Love a finished Christmas. And then this cute little elf. I know you're like, girl, I want to see that earlier, but I want to show you the top first. But this little finished elf, he's so cute. He's helping Santa make all the cookies, well, cookies and toys for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So freaking precious. Okay, guys. So the next thing we're gonna do is do the living room. So we have the poinsettias. How pretty is this? We have How Many Days Till Christmas with a snowman. We have these twinkly lights. Oh my God, it looks like it just snowed. So beautiful. The Santa Noel. Another tree. Oh, it's just so peaceful. Really put you in the spirit of Christmas, isn't it? This school with fresh snow. The lights, the nativity scene. So beautiful. Gorgeous. And then I want to show you one more thing before we do the tree. This Christmas pillow. Isn't this cute? I believe in Santa. I do, I really do. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my favorite part. Look at this tree. So that's the tree skirt. And then, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is my favorite thing, literally, that we do every year. The Star of Bethlehem, he's so cute. And this beautiful, beautiful tree. Ah. Oh my gosh. And then Santa left his hat. Oh, so cute. So precious. Unreal. I love this tree. I'm gonna show you like, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. Oh my God, it's stunning. And then I want to show you guys some more stuff over here. This wreath. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. And then this is our advent calendar for this year. So starting on the 1st of December, every day till Christmas, we're gonna be opening one of the boxes. And I think it has like chocolates inside each box. Yeah, 24 milk chocolate figures inside. So that's our advent calendar for the year. So fabulous. The snowman, the Christmas tree, the reindeer and Santa. And then over here, these beautiful lights. This wreath is so beautiful. And the beautiful sleeping lambs or sheep. So lovely. So beautiful. The tour keeps going, you guys. This angel guarding the door. So cute. Over here we have Let It Snow. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go up the stairs and show you the rest. There's so much here. Like, you guys aren't even ready for all this. This is so cute. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, so we have this tree, Buddy the Elf from the movie, and this truck with the tree. Ugh, too cute for words. Beautiful. This stuff is so cute. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you can see this better in a minute, like the lights and stuff in the tree. This tree looks even better when the lights are off. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let It Snow, Winter Wonderland, Hot Cocoa, fresh cut Christmas trees, build a snowman and sleigh rides. I've hauled all this up already, so you can check out my channel if you're new, and subscribe, of course, and watch the hauls. Me hauling all this. Let It Snow. This is oh my, I love for this. I might get one more of these. This is too cute to function. This little Santa gnome. He's too precious to function. Okay. You know what? Okay. Let me show you this really quick, and then I'm gonna turn the lights off because this looks really cute. The lights off, like the tree. Merry Christmas, is the season. Joy to the world. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Happy holidays. Merry and bright. It's just as beautiful. This gingerbread. It's hard not to get all like excited because it's just so pretty. Like, I love everything here. And this angel, oh my God. I love this freaking angel. She's so pretty. Okay, then I want to show you the other side of here. This is so cute. I'll be known for Christmas. Isn't that cute? Christmas wishes and hot cocoa kisses. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It definitely is. I agree. Oh my God. I know, right? Father Christmas, the garland, this tree is stunning. Okay. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you can really see this like properly. Here. But first, let's do this really quickly. Merry Christmas and Noel. There's just so much to do. I don't even know where to begin. Honestly, there's so many decorations everywhere. I love this sign. It's so cute. Farm Fresh Christmas trees, established 1923. This door is so unique and precious. Merry Christmas. I love it. Okay, now I want to show you this with the lights off. Oh my God. So the girl elf is helping Santa lay the presents down on Christmas Eve. The tree skirt, and then this tree at night. Oh my God, it looks like it just freshly snowed on this tree. It looks beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh my God. Ugh. Beautiful. And this garland, it wraps all around here. Wraps all around this edge here. It's beautiful. I mean, beautiful. I love it. I almost said I can't wait, but it's already here. And these are the lights when the lights are, when the main light's off. It sparkles and twinkles. And I think we're gonna put more lights if we can find them here. And of course, we're maybe add a few more signs if we can find it. So like I said, this is not 100% done. It's like maybe like 90% done for inside, maybe 85%. If we can find some more signs, we'll put them there. Okay, now let's do the bathroom and then we'll end up in my room. So the bathroom, and yes, I remember to put the sink down this time for the toilet. Oh my God. Bath and Body Works. Get it right now. It's amazing. These candle holders, AA batteries every couple days, but it's so worth it. Look how beautiful that is. It's absolutely breathtaking. Then we have this snowman cup holder, soap holder, a nutcracker. I'll put the lights on so you can see it more clearly, but I just want to show you these glowing, oh my God, this candle holder with the snowflake. It's absolutely freaking phenomenal. It really is. Okay, I'm turning the lights on really quickly, but I'm not going to show my face because I'm not wearing eyebrows, girl. Yes. But yeah, this is a nutcracker. My eyebrows aren't on any yet. Yes. I'm going to show you this really quickly. These are all Bath and Body Works, so you know. Oh, and the soap that I'm using for Bath and Body Works. Almost finished with this already. It's so good. I think I literally have like a few more uses in it. Yeah, it's almost done. Glistening gumdrops. So good. Don't sleep on that. It's so good. And then the one I'm going to use after that is this one. Peppermint sugar cookie. Obsessed. So good. And then the next shower I'm going to use is Peace Iced Raspberry Bellini from Bath and Body Works. Amazing. I know, right? Obsessed. Home for the holidays. I love this. Oh, these nutcrackers, you guys. Dollar Tree. I know, right? They look so expensive. I live for them. Oh, beautiful. And then this is the Santa soap holder, but you can use it as shower gel holder too. And I'm just about finished with my gingerbread latte from seasons from Christmas past. Okay, this is not wanting to cooperate with me. I want to put it here, but it won't let me. Whatever. Okay, I like it when it's facing here. Whatever, I guess it's gonna face that way then. A mess. Oh, and I love this one. This is a little Christmas, what's it called? Loofah. This is golden white. This wreath outside the bathroom door. Yes. And then the smaller wreath here. We're gonna end in my room. Let me just show you that. Oh my God. And it goes, I switched these. Usually I do like the big wreath there and the smaller wreath in the bathroom, but I switched it because I think this fits this better, like more Old Town vintage Christmas. And then that fits like the nutcracker and like the more modern Christmas feel, like Elf Village kind of vibe. So, okay, let's go in the room and see what's here. Not too much, but I did a little bit here. So in here we have this sign wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Very cute. This nutcracker. I love him. He's so fabulous. We have this Santa over here. He's just chilling. He's just chilling. We have a nutcracker here. Candle holder. I put my lotion on there. Keep my skin nice and dry. Nice and moisturized. I'm done. You guys, I cannot stress enough. You should not sleep on this. This gloss is on my lips all the time. Rainbow Swirl Candy from Bath and Body Works. Obsessed. Rainbow Swirl Candy Spray. I love this. Is a room spray or like, of course, body spray. And I'm about to finish this Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte pocket back. This will be in next month's empties for sure. But this freaking thing is so cute. This little nutcracker. Oh, he's precious. Absolutely precious. I love everything falling. I love a falling moment. Oh my God. You know what I mean. Moment. I almost said movement. Oh, right here. A little gold trim. Right there. And then, of course, I have to put Frosty the Snowman over here. Yes, he's looking all cute. He's all cozy and warm. Okay, let's end with the bed. Yes, I've it all decorated. I rarely decorate like this, so. But I want to show you all the winter themed things I put. So we have this cute little winter dog. Does he have a name? Yes. Oh, her name is Fate. So cute. And she's snuggled. Little scarf. Then we have this winter owl. Let's see. Does he have a name? He or she? Let's see. Okay, well, we'll call him he. Wonder. His name is Wonder. And then we have this winter Christmas pillows, a gingerbread house. And then Baby It's Cold Outside. And the doormat outside matches this Baby It's Cold Outside right there. So you'll see that in part 2 when we finish the outside. decor. So yeah, that just about does it for part one of my house tour for the holiday season. Like up for part two coming soon later this month when we finish the outside, and then who knows, maybe we'll do a part three. You never know. Like up, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye guys.